The present forest area of India, according to satellite data, is decreasing. The India's highest annual rainfall is reported at Mausenram, Meghalaya. The refineries Mathura, Digboy, and Panipat are set up by Indian Oil Corporation Limited. What is the predominant type of Indian agriculture? Subsistence agriculture. The Radcliffe Land is a boundary between India and Pakistan. Which of the following has a potential for harnessing of tidal energy in India? Gulf of Cambay. The typical area of sal forest in the Indian peninsular upland occurs. On the Malwa Plateau. The state having the largest area of forest cover in India is Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following food grain crops occupies the largest part of the cropped area in India? Rice. The number of major languages recognized in the Indian Union as official language are (22). The oldest rocks in India are reported from Garhwal region, Karnataka. Which of the following groups of rivers originate from the Himachal mountains? Beas, Ravi, and Chenab. Which of the following groups of states has the largest deposits of iron ore? Bihar and Orissa. Which of the following Union territories of India has the highest density of population per square kilometer? Delhi. Which atomic power station in India is built completely indigenously? Kalpakkam.